Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video, I've come up to show you beautiful design making on this brocade blouse. Let me elaborate the blouse first. It's a pure tissue silk blue color fabric, and the sleeves has done with the brocade fabric, the contrasted colors, and the same contrasted color laces has been used on the sleeve border elevation, also on the neckline. That means red on blue and blue on red. In that way, the sleeve, also the neckline has been designed. Now I'd like to convert this into designer blouse, and for the complete designing I'd be using here 2 tulas of blue and green color kundans. Both are of 2 tulas, and these are gold framed leaf shaped kundans which will perfectly fit to these kundans. These frames will available in different colors and different shapes. According to your design, you have to use the custom frames. Firstly, I'll highlight the sleeve openings. Just besides this lace, I'll be applying the glue to stick the stone lace. On both the sides, I'll be sticking the stone lace. I'd like to go with the complete designing of the brocade. I don't want to disturb this pattern. So the same pattern I'd like to emphasize. The gold brocade design is looking very heavy. That after working also will get the nice and neat finishing, same like the Ari Maggam work pattern. In this video I'll be showing the designing on the sleeves, but in the next video I'll show you how to highlight the neckline also. Now that the sticking is done, I'd stitch these mirror frames using the cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle. The 3 leaf has to be stitched on this complete brocade like this. Framing has to be elevated, and in the centers I'll be stitching this flower rings which is of gold color, small size. This is the way complete sleeve I'll be designing. This is so simple design, will not take much time of yours. Like this we'll be having so many types of plain or brocade design blouses that also we can customize as per our requirement. I'm just giving a hint or an idea. We all must be having like these type of blouses which we got bored of wearing it, but we can now recreate into new designer blouse like this. According to the design of the brocade, we have to customize our designing. It's just so simple. If these frames are not available, you can also use Zardozi string instead of these frames. All these materials which I have used for this designing are easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links has given in the description box. If you want, you can check it. The complete sleeves I will be elevating in this pattern only. Firstly the framework, then the kundan work. Once after completing this design, you will definitely get the look like heavily designed bridal blouse. Now that the stone lace also is completely dried, I will give an invisible stitches on both the sides. Once the frames are stitched, this is how it looks. Now I'll be sticking the rhinestones in this flower ring. For that I'll be applying the glue to stick the rhinestones. Here I'd be using multicolor kundans so that it could be matched on any types of sarees like the plain saree, pattu saree, banaras saree. Underneath 2 frames I'd be sticking the blue color kundans and the center one with the green color. Always go with the contrasted colors because this will really highlight the pattern. Like this I'll stick completely the kundans also with the rhinestones in between. once the designing is the full sleeves designed blouse would look like this. This would be before customization, the plain brocade blouse with the sleeves, and after designing this is how it looks. I don't have any words to say. Really, the outcome is in front of you. It's looking just awesome. I hope sharing of an idea of making this beautiful design is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications.